It's Wonka. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Wonka. Sorry for the video interruption, but I had a special announcement for my boy, my dude. It's basically my dude, but you know, slang terms. Break it down for you guys, the ones that are slow. My dude, and it's an Instagram. His name's my dude, and then hats or hat. I'll post the link in the description below. Thank you so much for sending me this. Send it all the way from Chicago. That shit was pretty fast shipping and everything. Hit me up on Instagram. Let's see what he sent us. And yes, I'm in my car right now. If you hear music in the background, obviously I think you are. It's because I'm in my car doing this unboxing in the car. So don't trip. And I don't know why people fucking get mad because I vlog over my cell phone. Yes, I'm from the hood. I can't afford a fucking Canon or whatever the fuck those what is it called? Those fucking expensive ass cameras are called. Oh shit, look at this. Came with some stickers. I think this one's black. And then this one is blue and black with the shadow. Blue and black. Hell yeah, appreciate that. Mad shout out to him. Oh, and then these are like the visors and shit. I don't really know how these go yet. This is the first time I actually seen something like this. So if you're interested on something, let my boy know. These are the ones where you can swap out visors, I guess. Oh shit, he sent a couple of them. Look at this one. Damn. Alright, I see you. I see you, my boy. But look at that. Look at the quality on this. This quality is dope, bro. Special shout out to these niggas. Look at that. See that? Got that one, and then what's this one? Let's see what this one is. Damn, check this out. If you're into sneakers, you definitely want to pick up a hat from this guy. Look at that. And I guess the way this works, you grab this one, which is like the top part of the hat. See? Just a normal snapback. And then it has the symbol right here. Let me focus. Then it says my dude on the front, top. See that? And I guess it's like Velcro, like you see the bottom right there? Just grab whatever one. Let's try on this Hulk one right here. And I can't even do it with two hands. Hold on, let me put down the camera. Damn, my boy got this shit on lock. He's all the way from Chicago, Illinois, I believe. He's from. Damn, look at that. All right, that's crazy. So like what you could do is just could buy the top part and then just buy all kinds of different visor things. But I don't even know if I'm saying that shit correctly. But yeah, look at that. Damn. Look at that. Make sure you guys hit up my boy for some snapbacks. My dude's doing it. I haven't seen something like this. This is the first time, and I've dealt with a lot of companies, a lot of clothing brands. I have never seen something like this. It's just pretty fucking dope. They just switch it up like this. Motherfuckers gonna know it's a different hat. Look at that. A little cricket, but yeah, it's just on there to sample it for you guys. So you guys can see it. Look at that. Yeah. Let's check out the last one. Check out this last one right here. This shit will go sick with some kicks right here. Man, all these motherfuckers are dope. And he has different ones. It's not just these. These are just a handful he grabbed from me or whatever. But he has some dope ass ones. You guys should check them out. Make sure you guys give him a follow. Look at this one. Man, that's just fucking dope. Look at that. Look at that shit. I might have to make this a full video because I didn't know I thought it was just a hat, but then oh, this one has the bottom and the top. I thought it was just one hat, but it looks like it's not. And the quality of this hat is pretty sick, because you know how some hats you get and they're all fucking like all dingly and stuff. Now this was probably pretty stiff and stuff like that, you know? Yeah, and it looks like it's not gonna fit too small or nothing like that. Yeah, I'm right here just waiting for my girl to get out the doctor's. I'm on the charger right now. We'll do a little around. See that? It's right here posted. Bored as fuck. Just trying to do this unboxing. Thank you for the stickers. Motherfuckers are dope as fuck. That's what's up. I'll be posting the link in my bio, or on the whatever the fuck it's called, at the bottom of the video, in the description. And then I'll be posting it too on my Instagram. So make sure you guys follow my boy and my dude. If he has I'm gonna hit him up right now. Let's see if he has a website too, so I could put his website up. That way you guys could fucking jump on this shit quick. Cause I'm not gonna lie to you, these motherfuckers are pretty dope right here, dog. Some must get right here. I'm really feeling this one right here. This Hulk right here, damn. That's just fucking sick with it. Oh, I love this song right here. This is a song you just want to drink to right here. Hell yeah. Shout out to the radio station. I know my radio's all fucking bootlegged and everything, but I don't give a fuck. Yeah, we're fucking ghetto. I'm from the ghetto and shit, you feel me? Nah, just kidding. Nah, but everybody have a nice day. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.